Hello बच्चे लोग. Once again your Dipti Nani is back, and today your Dipti Nani is back with a mythological story. Today I am going to tell you a story of a demon, a devil. Many years before, there lived one king of demons. His name was Hiranyakashipu. He had done lot of meditation, and as a result he received a boon from God Brahma that he cannot be killed either on soil or sky, in water or in air. And he had that boon, and because of that he had become very notorious, and he used to trouble all the people, and he thought that he was very powerful and mighty, and he wanted that everybody should worship him as a god. But you cannot worship demon as a god, right? But he had one son. His name was Prahlad, and Prahlad was a devotee of Lord Vishnu. So all the time Prahlad was busy in worshipping his god Vishnu. But Hiranyakashipu, his father, was very unhappy with this, and he tried his best to kill his son Prahlad. Once he threw him in well, but nothing happened to him because Lord Vishnu took care of his devotee Prahlad. Once Hiranyakashipu also threw him from the mountain, but nothing happened to Prahlad because God always takes care of his devotees. And at last he told his sister Holika to take Prahlad in her lap and sit in the fire. Now Hiranyakashipu's sister Holika had one cloth, and that cloth would protect her from fire. So even if she is sitting in the fire and she has that cloth on her, fire would not burn her. So she wore that cloth and took Prahlad and set in fire. But to the surprise of everybody, there was a miracle with the grace of Lord Vishnu, and that cloth suddenly flew away and covered Prahlad, the devotee of Vishnu. And Holika, Prahlad's aunt, got burned, and nothing happened to Prahlad because he worshipped Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu took care of his devotee. And because Hiranyakashipu had a boon that he cannot be killed with any weapon, but to everybody's surprise, the Lord came in the form of Nrusi, and with all the nails literally tore off Hiranyakashipu. And this devil, this demon, lost his life. And since that day, in India, Hindus have the tradition of celebrating Holi, and they light the fire, put all the items for worship of Holi Ma, Mother Holi, and they pray Mother Holi. And it is also said that it is the victory of good over the evil, good against bad. And it is also said that in this fire of Holi, we burn all our vices like anger, speaking lies, and whatever vices we have in this fire. And next day is celebrated as a Holi of colors. In Gujarati, it is also known as Dhuleti. And on that day, we enjoy with throwing colors on all our friends and relatives. And even Lord Krishna and Radha are known for playing Holi and enjoy this festival. And in places like Vrindavan, Mathura, this holy festival is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. If you like my story, do like, share and subscribe. And you also go for Holi Puja and burn all your vices if you have any, and enjoy the next day with colors. May God bless you and make your life colorful. Bye till I come with a new story. Love you.